Hello everyone, Martyn here and welcome to Resolver Towers, where love is in the air. Valentine's Day is on the horizon and you might be thinking about maybe buying an overpriced rose or booking a nice table for a romantic meal with the other half. Now, at this time of year, this is when restaurants traditionally increase their prices and also happen to lower their standards. So here's a few things to help the path of love go smoothly from me, Resolver's resident Cupid. First up, confirm that you've booked the table in advance with the restaurant. Now, this might seem really obvious, but make sure you get that confirmation because there's nothing worse than finding out that you turn up on the day and nothing's been prepared in advance. Restaurants can get a bit flustered, so double check in advance that everything you've specified has been prepared for you. Secondly, check for catches. If you booked a table at 7 o'clock, then chances are you'll be turfed out at 9 o'clock when there's the next sitting. So double check with the restaurant just to see how long you've actually got with your loved one and you're not being shoved out of the door before you've even finished the dessert. Thirdly, set menus are usually massively overpriced and there's usually not very much in the way of alternatives. You can get the most out of a decent menu with a couple of options on it though by avoiding where the restaurants really make their money. So watch out for those cold plates, which are usually prepped in advance and left in the fridge. And it also makes sense to be a bit wary about meals that take quite a while to cook. So watch that leg of lamb, chances are it'll be banged in the microwave. Next up, special requirements. Now, 1.5 million people are now vegans or trying out vegetarianism, and lots of us have special eating requirements as well, or allergies. Double check with your partner before you go to the restaurant because there's nothing sexy about a trip to A&E. Finally, make sure that you've got some backup cash with you. With a set meal, you might think that you're only spending a certain amount of money, but if you get carried away and decide to flash the cash or buy a bottle of champagne or two, then you don't want to be caught out by not having an emergency cash supply. So take 2 plastic cards or maybe withdraw a bit of extra cash before you go out for the meal. Whatever you do, have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day and don't let the expense put you off from having a lovely time with your partner. But if you feel that you've been treated badly, you can make a complaint about restaurants or indeed anything else love-connected, though we can't find you the right partner. Get in touch at www.resolver.co.uk. We finished? I bought this balloon myself.